Here we go. Now it's doing it. Step out again. This is so rare. Of course, I keep getting drift on, too, because it's been raining. But, boy, it is snowing, snowing, snowing here in Sugar Land. Huge flakes. Absolutely huge. Sad nothing is sticking because it's so wet. You can actually hear them coming down. Probably hear them melting too. Well, isn't this neat? I hope the kids get some snow. Both sets of kids. Woohoo. This is nice. Glad I'm not